So to achieve this look, we're going to take this matte bright yellow and start off by applying this around the crease first. Next, taking this matte neon pink, we're going to go ahead and apply that within the crease and making sure you blend that out towards that tape. Going straight back into that same pink, I'm going to go ahead and apply that shade to my ends, and then using this matte neon orange, I'm going to go ahead and fill my middles with that orange. Finishing off the eyeshadow, I'm going to go back to that matte bright yellow and fill in those corners, and then to get that smooth finished look, I'm going to go ahead and take the remaining pink and go around that crease one more time. So just a side note, what I like to do with my baking powder is pat the areas that tend to build lines throughout my day, and this is definitely going to help prevent that. Okay, now to get rid of them crusty looking lips, I'm going to go ahead and use my usual Sephora Holiday collection. I use this probably in all my tutorials, and I'll have that information in the description below. Lastly, to get that face poppin', we're going to go ahead and use my Laura Geller illuminating stick. I believe this is shade Ballerina, and I'm just going to mix that with the highlighter that I used, and as you see, this gives me a nice little glow. Definitely 10 out of 10, recommend this stick. I hope you guys like this sunset look as much as I did. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and show some love to your girl.